Trust distribution examples. How will your children actually receive assets from a trust? That's what we're going to be discussing today. And there are a bunch of different options, so we'll go through them. I'm Sarah Siedentopf. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in Atlanta, Georgia. So, first option is health, education, maintenance, and support. The vast majority of trusts say that the trustee should be making distributions for the beneficiary's health, education, maintenance, and support. That covers everything you need to live. The trust can specify, and often it's not so much the specifics of the trust so much as how much money is in the trust in the first place, what sort of maintenance and education we're paying for. Are we Ivy League or are we in-state tuition? But most trusts are going to provide for that regardless of any other distributions. We're making sure that the beneficiary is taken care of. There can also be, and this is a little bit more rare, but it can be up to the trustee. Trustee's discretion. There are certain times when this makes sense, particularly to avoid creditors, where the trustee gets to make a decision. They're not obligated to pay for health, education, maintenance, and support. They just make distributions when they believe it is in the beneficiary's best interest and there is no other recourse. So less common, but does have its place. For actual distributions, a very common scheme is to say, I want my beneficiary to receive such and such a percentage of what they have coming to them at this age, and then another percentage at another age, and then maybe the end of it, something else. So, 21, 25, and 30, or 25, 30, 35. We've got specific ages at which we can give percentages. We can also say that there are specific landmarks that we are giving percentages at. So something when you graduate college, or something for a wedding, or for buying a house, or whatever specific landmarks are important. So it is very, very common to do sort of a combination of these things. So we're paying for health, education, and maintenance and support, but at 25, 30, and 35, we're giving percentages of the trust outright to the beneficiary so that they can put it in their own bank account, make their own decisions about it, as well as having potentially a special amount upon graduation, or particular amount for starting a business, or for a down payment on a house. So these are particular things, and what I've just described is, I would say, the most common situation that I see in my office is, something at 25, something at 30, something at 35, plus, all of those support things and some specific guidelines around gifts at landmarks. So those are really your options, and there's a wide variety of them. You can pick and choose, mix and match, but that's what you're working with for distributions from a trust. So thank you very much for watching, and please like and subscribe for more content.